we're going to rebox these Louis Vuitton bags so we can gift them, okay? So, as an unboxing channel, I think I've gotten pretty good at reboxing things because I need to post at least 7 different versions in the unboxing to make sure that one hits, obviously. Different backgrounds, different lights, different everything. Anyway, but these are actually, because they're gifts, I gotta rebox them. I don't have to rebox them, but I think it'd be nice to give them to them reboxed, right? All nice in the bag, everything like that. So, put the bag in the back of the pouch. Put the pouch in the box. Fortunately, these aren't very complicated boxings. I think this thing's supposed to go somewhere in the middle. So I just put it in the middle. And then for my years of experience of unboxing, basically just kind of wrap it around the front, make sure it's even. Length, I think this is the longer one. Hold on. So let's do the shorter one. Yes. Shorter one. Take it, and I think you got to make sure that the LV print is showing, right? So that. Sometimes they do it in like the top right corner or the bottom left, so I'm going to go a little higher than the front. And then you take it, like I said, make sure they're kind of the same length, and you turn it through like that. And then again, make sure that the LVs are all showing. And you come in a corner again, and I think this is supposed to be in that corner. So we're gonna move that there. And then you take it and go under and under. And this is probably right because the little stretch marks, crease marks where they did tie it are showing. And then I just take it looks like this is a longer one, wrap it around once like that, and then secure it in place. I don't know if you guys can see this. Can you guys see this? Like that, and then you just tie it up. And I think that will do it. And then bring this piece of poop back up here, kind of there. Not bad. I think the point is for the LV to show, so for the name to fully show. So I'm gonna pull it a little bit to the right, so that it's like that, and then a little bit up, so it's like that, whatever. I think that's pretty good. Okay, 101. Let's do the other one. Again. Bag. Entre les dust bag. Okay. Flap it over. Fits comfortably. Close. Okay. This one's, yeah, the longer one. Okay. Same thing. Louis Vuitton. Across the top. Around the back. Make sure they're kind of the same length. Tie it over. Again. Yeah, tie it over. Make sure the Louis are showing. Thread it through. I don't think I did this one right. Oh no, wait, yeah. Thread it through with the Louis still showing again. And pull kind of higher up. Wrap it one time through. Not pro. Okay. Good enough. There. Huh? How'd I do? I think I did pretty well. Now I'm gonna have to unbox them one more time and then rebox them, but we don't need to film that again.